I'm doing this project with Coca Cola, trying to frame. Thanks for traveling together with me in all these places. Operation Picture at the Ice Skate. I was like chilling on the sofa, spending the Christmas Eve in Hi there. I'm doing this project with Coca Cola. Always Coca Cola. So I have to produce a small video for their new thank you campaign. Danke. Danke is German for thank you. So the idea is to say thank you to somebody dear to you. I'm now trying to do something. So trying to frame everything on this glass window. This is how it should look like. And here I'm thinking to use a marker, like this one, to write something here. It's new, I never did this before, so it's a little bit experimenting. So this is how I'm spending my day, which is not a bad way. Taking some B-rolls right now. And it's very different than a travel video, because on a travel video you don't have necessarily to build up a story, because you have the story as you travel. But here I have to build it from scratch, and it's a different kind of a craft. So right now I'm at that point when I'm trying to learn how to plan this kind of a shoot. I think it's going well for now. Now I'm doing the voiceover using the mic from the camera. I don't have yet dedicated microphone for voiceovers. Maybe I'll get one in time. Improvising a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. Coca-Cola asked me to do a 1-2-1-2. Now let's see the result of my yesterday's work. Coca-Cola asked me to do a small video where I say thank you to someone that is special to me. That made me think a little bit. It was like, there are many people who played a positive role in my life and to whom I would like to say thank you. But from all of them, one name stands out, and that is Irina. She has been a lot of things to me, but my special thanks today is for being my best travel buddy. We were in many places together, had maybe the best experiences of my life, some mind-blowing, some challenging, but all definitely worth having. With so many things for the first time, met wonderful people, slept in fancy hotels, crappy hotels, in trains, in planes, airports, had good food, bad food, and all that goes with traveling. Always on the move, always looking for something beautiful, always taking pictures, always filming, and always the two of us. They say it doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you are traveling with that's important. So yeah, girl, thanks for traveling together with me in all these places. Your enthusiasm and happy vibes are part of my traveling experience. Therefore, thank you, best travel buddy. Mwah. We're going to the ice skating rink to take a couple pictures. Skate rental. We got the skates. Let's change and roll. Can you skate?
Of course, I used to skate very well.
Oh, okay. I used to roller skate, but no ice skating. But it should be different, right? And done.
They look.
And we're on. How are you doing? What's going on? Come on, ice skater! Okay, enough fun. Let's find a place to take the picture and then we can skate more. We asked that guy to take us a picture and he did. Thank you.
Nice, but I want another one.
Ask them to take a picture of us. First, we take a picture of them and then we ask them to take a picture of us. This is how you do it. Oh, they're Spanish. By the way, Irina grew up in Spain, so she can connect immediately with Spanish people. Where to stay, how to frame. Okay? Ciao. We love Spanish people.
Yes, they're Argentinian, but we love Argentinian too.
Luguti-kuti-tap, lumubusi-busilak, ganyan ang kurap ng mga bituin. Tumitibok-tibok, sumisinok-sinok, korongahan mo pa ng panarang. Pitak-takan mo pa ng candy, ribbon-less ka sa sabuhita. Plum-plum-plum-plum.
So, Operation Picture at the Ice Skate successful! Woo! Everybody's so nice, like people coming to us and saying, hey, would you like us to take a picture of you? Like, yeah.
Kuti-kuti-tap, lumubusi-busilak, ganyan.
Got me looking so crazy right now, your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
So, Merry Christmas everybody! I hope everybody is celebrating over a table full of delicious food. As for me and Irina, we are celebrating Christmas by ourselves at home, and we had like a typical dinner. Well, not really, we had McDonald's, but McDonald's for Christmas anyway. And then we watched 2 movies, like A Love Story and another one. And then it's around 9 p.m. It's around 9 p.m. and then Irina, you know Irina, full of crazy ideas. She just came up with the idea that we should go and take some pictures on Christmas Eve in the city. I was like chilling on the sofa and eating popcorn and you know just... But and now I'm in the work mode. So yeah, we're gonna do this right now because we can't stay still too long, you know? We need to do something. I'm gonna explain you the whole project, but let's go to the car.
Merry Christmas!
The best words. Para-pa-pam-pam.
Para-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam.
Alright, so we're here. We are at Hundertwasser House, this cool building in Vienna. And the idea we have is to use this phone booth. We have lights with us, we're gonna glue the lights all over the place. And then we're gonna take a picture. It's perfect because nobody's here. And the place is pretty well lit. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes.
Come, we're freezing!
We are spending the Christmas Eve in a phone booth. We're changing in the cabin because it's a little bit less cold. And this is the Hundertwasser house, famous Austrian architect Hundertwasser. This is done, camera is set. We're gonna stay there and we're waiting for this taxi, white ugly taxi to leave.
Do you know the song?
Move! Taxi, get out the way. Taxi,
get out the way, get out the way, get out the way.
20 minutes later.
So that was our Christmas Eve cabin photo shoot.
That was the photo shoot. Merry Christmas and bye-bye.